Good morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide Dr. Siblal sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty member, examiner, and my friend. I'm Manish Malviy, pursuing my BTech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. My seminar topic is Maisotsenko cycle. This is going to be our content list: introduction, history, principles of M cycle, features of M cycle, how M cycle work, and M cycle combustion turbine, applications of M cycle, advantage of M cycle, disadvantage of M cycle, and the conclusion. So here is introduction. The Maisotsenko cycle, also known as a M cycle, is a thermodynamic cycle that is used to improve the efficiency of air condition and refrigeration system. The M cycle is a promising technology for improving the efficiency of cooling system, which could have significant implications for reducing energy usage and mitigating the climate changes. And here are the history of M cycle. The M cycle was invented by the Dr. Valery Maisotsenko, a Ukrainian scientist, in early 1970s. Dr. Maisotsenko was working on a way to improve the efficiency of evaporative cooling system, and he developed the M cycle as a result of his research. In 1970s, Dr. Vladimir Maisotsenko invented the M cycle in the Soviet Union. In 1980s, the M cycle is the first commercialized in the Soviet Union. In 1990s, the M cycle began to be used in the West. In 2000s, the M cycle used in a variety of applications, including gas turbine, air conditioning system, cooling tower, and electronic systems. In 2010, the M cycle is became increasingly popular as more as efficient and environment friendly way to the cool air. Principles of M cycle. The M cycle is a thermodynamic cycle that use indirect evaporative cooling to cool air. The principles of operations of a M cycle is based on a heat and the mass transfer between two air streams. One is the dry air stream and the other is wet stream. Features of M cycle. It is use a heat exchanger to pre-cool the refrigerant before it enters the compressor. The pre-cooling. Second point is the pre-cooling increase the efficiency of the system by reduce the amount of work to compress has to do. The M cycle is a more environment friendly and sustainable alternative to the vapor compression cycle. How M cycle work? The M cycle work by using a combinations of evaporative cooling and the heat exchange to cool air. The air is the first pre-cooled by passing through it a wet channel, then water in the channel evaporative cooling the air. The cooled air is then passed to a heat exchanger. When it exchanger heat with the hot air, this further cools the air and the cooled air is then delivered to the desired location. The M cycle combustion turbine. The M cycle combustion turbine is a type of a gas turbine that use a unique thermodynamic cycle to generate electricity. The M cycle combustion turbine cycle is based on a Maisotsenko cycle, which is thermodynamic cycle that use the latent heat of water to improve the efficiency. Applications of M cycle. First, air condition for commercial building. The M cycle can be used to improve the energy efficiency of air condition systems in a large commercial building such as shopping mall and the office complex. Second point, data center cooling. The M cycle can be used to cool the data center, which generate a lot of heat and require a large amount of energy to keep cool. Third one, greenhouse. The M cycle can be used in a greenhouse to regulate temperature and the humidity level. Advantage of M cycle: high cooling efficiency, low energy consumptions, low operating cost, eco-friendly, no refrigerant required, high reliability, low water consumption. Disadvantage of M cycle: not suitable for cooling large space, high initial cost, required a constant supply of water, limited cooling capacity, energy intensive process, required regular maintenance, not suitable for cooling certain type of equipment. Conclusions of AM cycle. The Maisotsenko cycle is a thermodynamic cycle that uses indirect evaporative cooling to cool the air. The AM cycle is based on the principle that when water evaporates, it absorbs heat from the surrounding. This heat is used to cool the air. The AM cycle is promising new technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we cool our home, businesses, industries, and it is more efficient, environment friendly, and the cost effective way to cool the air. And it has potential to save us a significant amount of energy. Thank you.